Getaways SA offer experiences throughout South Australia. We've actually been running now for 23 years. We've always been really keen to get into the Chinese market, but haven't really known how to do it, and you need to be able to do it properly. As soon as we met Meow, we knew that was it. Her personality was absolutely what Getaways SA is all about, and had the right ethics with regards to doing things that were in the interests of our customers. So fitted the culture of Getaways SA down to a T.
When I first met with Kim and Steve, they gave me an impression about very friendly. They told me a lot of things about wine, about Barossa, about the history, about the culture in Adelaide. That's interesting. That's what I like here.
Majestic Hotels is 100% South Australian owned and operated. We have 5 hotels and apartments across Adelaide and Port Augusta. What we were hoping from the program was to really gain a better understanding of what the Chinese traveller wants, what they need when they come to South Australia, and how our hotels, whether there's a good fit to attract the Chinese travellers. Sherry was really easy to communicate with, and she's well travelled and well educated and has a really great understanding of the travel industry. So we just thought she was going to be absolutely perfect for the project.
At Majestic Hotels, I was doing translating jobs to convey the accurate information to Chinese market. And also I was reviewing the presence of Majestic Hotels in China.
Working with Sherry's been a fantastic experience. She's made some really good recommendations as well. And she's very analytical, so she's really got down into the data and really helped us understand and target the Chinese market.
In this globalised world, a third of our customers are international guests, and to get that inside intel from an international student, how to connect with those markets better through translating through to our website and then helping represent us at ATE is a huge advantage for our organisation, but also it's giving back to an international student as well. We're so fortunate and thankful to study Adelaide.